good distance casting I'm getting in there, guys. Ooh, fish on, guys. Fish on. Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Big up yourself. This morning was not really in the mood for fishing this morning. I tell you the honest truth, I got up this morning, I felt like staying in bed. I don't know why, but anyways, heading out to one of my close by fishing spots, trying to see if I can pick up a Barracuda this morning, and maybe a big jack or something this morning. Let's see what happens. I want to go on a little hunt. I haven't been really getting much luck up this side, but we're going to try it out this morning just to say, all right, what's a spade? We call it a spade. You know what's up, guys. So stay tuned, guys. Epic adventure this morning, and we'll hit the water up and see what I can pick up, see if I can get some drone shots in and some other shots in that I needed. So stay tuned for those, and we are out here, guys. So just watching this water, guys. The water temperature don't look too good this morning. When the water gets too cold, the fish go deeper, and that's where I'm worried about, because I'm going into shallow waters. So let's hope that where we're going, we're going to hit it and get something decent. I've caught a few big barras back there, 5 pound, 10 pounds. So let's see what's up. Head back there now, guys. Stay tuned. Yeah, guys, I had to go get my water boot because I didn't want to get wet. Rick was not in the mood for that shit. And yeah, this water's coming up pretty high right here. But good spot for fishing though, lure fishing, because it's high tide. It's not actually low tide. Sea urchins all through here, so that means whatchamacallit comes through here a lot too. So what we can pick up this morning, guys, on the lure, on the light setup. Jamaican shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing, guys. First cast, let's see what's up. See if we can get something this morning, guys. Hi, and welcome back to the channel. Thank all you guys for joining. Appreciate you guys. Got some big sea urchins in here, boy. Nothing yet. High tide, guys. I'm loving this. The sun is just peeking up now, and that's exactly what I want. I have my big 10-foot rod in the car just in case, guys. I'm gonna switch up if I'm not picking up anything on this. I'll grab some sea urchins from here and watch the tide a little bit. I'm getting chased by a long jaw just now, so that means that lure is visible. Let's get it out there. Have to find me a big barracuda into here someplace. The Yazori lure is definitely working. You gotta run it a few times sometimes, guys, because they're not there sitting there waiting on you. Sometimes they're coming from a distance, and they'll see that glitter from a distance, and it takes them a while to get over here. So sometimes you just have to just wait it out and just run the area a few times to make sure that you're not missing anything. Not getting any action down here. Moving down the line.
Nothing yet, guys. We're just walking this beach going this way. I left the car back there. I'm not really worried about that. We need to get to those rocks without getting wet. So far, so good, guys. That's gonna be tricky. Well, I most likely will get wet. If I stay on these high rocks, I might not, but they're very slippery. Gotta be extremely careful. Trying to get to these rocks right here, guys, without getting soaking wet. Is it feasible? Yeah. Is it recommended? Yeah. Get this one. Get up on this one. Close, very close. Ooh, water boots are filling up with water. A little bit in the water boots. All right, we got wet feet now. But, okay, that's what we was trying to avoid, but I guess it couldn't be avoided. Yes, guys, we got ourselves a nice vantage point. Yeah, guys, we're out here. Super Rio Bueno, I didn't forget about you, Super. I've just been very occupied and I don't have the name of the channel on me now. I'll have to search in my phone over the water, which is not good. I'm gonna have to get on that in a bit. Definitely, big up yourself, Super. Virgin Fire Rio Bueno just started up a YouTube channel, guys. And doing this thing now. Giving a little bit of support, you know? So, work in this area, guys. Trying to pick up a barra. I don't know if we won't bump into any. Let's see how that goes. I've never caught one up this side right here with a full foot of water. Shallows right here. Nothing there, guys. Nothing on the Barracuda. Go that direction. You have to run up the side of them rocks. And guess he might be there hiding underneath the shade someplace. Trying to ambush. I just wanted to create that disturbance on top of the water with the lure at first. And get him up. I'm all riled up. Nothing. Yeah. Where the hell you boys at? Running that stretch, guys, and nothing. That's crazy. Oh no. Yeah, this one's kind of slippery. That's good distance casting I'm getting in there, guys. Ooh, fish on, guys. Fish on. He hit it and got off. Holy shit, he hit it and got off, guys. How the hell did he do that? He hit it and got off. I know he's not gonna hit it again. He hit it and got off, guys. Damn it! And my hooks are very sharp, guys. That was a damn good barra too. I need to take a breath. I need to get back to this rock. Yo! That was a nice barra. He was there the whole time, guys. He was there the whole time. And he just finally hit it. Boy, peeled some line a while ago. But he didn't commit. Damn it, man. I have to go around to them other rocks up there. See if I can get it from another direction or maybe another one. Who knows? Well, I lost this one. He's not gonna grab. Once he feels that hook the first time, guys, I don't think he's gonna grab. I've had Barra done it. I've had Barra, like maybe another one done it, or maybe the same one. But I've never had the same one that I've picked up. Like sometimes when they feel that hook, especially if the hook pierced them, they're not coming back. They're definitely not trying to do that again. That bad boy was right there too, man. Nice size barra too, guys. Damn. Pushed on some bushes. That boy hit that lure and didn't get hooked good. Tighten up my drag a bit. Alright, we're gonna move from here, guys. We're gonna go down further. Try to find another one. This one's not working in our favor. Yeah, the water boot filled up with water anyways. I'm trying to avoid it, but I guess that's not happening. Oh, yeah, wet anyway. Heavy boots. Fucker got away, boy. That was not good. I just hooked a nice barra a while ago, guys, and they got away. That sucks. Not happy about that. Let's get out there. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh shit. Not good. That's deep. Let me get my phone out of my pocket. made it, guys. Now I just hit a barrel just coming from that side. Just gonna get that bastard from here. Fish on, guys. Gotcha. Son of a gun, you. Thought you was gonna get away from me this time, huh? Got you, bad boy. That's a no-go this time. Gotcha. Calm down, calm down. You're not gonna send a hook in me this time. Gotcha. I knew you wasn't gonna get away this time, buddy. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. You gotta be careful, guys, because these bad boys will flip that hook right into your hand. It happened to me twice already. So, gotta make sure when I grab them with this lip grip tool. Alright, got him. Alright, there you go, guys. Woo-hoo. Jamaican shore fishing. The Barracuda. Gotcha. Told you I was hunting for you. You're not getting away this morning. You know that song? You're mine. And we belong together. That is it, guys. Woo-hoo. Yeah, look where I'm at. You guys gotta see where I'm at. I gotta string this bad boy up and continue on my hunt. Still not done yet. Still hunting. Get my string out, first of all. Yeah, guys, I don't think I'm gonna walk any further. One barra so far for the day. Can't complain, guys.